how to increase keyboard size on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and hold your screen and you're going to see the app shaking. Click edit at the top left and you're going to see customize. Click customize right here and basically you can click the small or large, and basically you're going to be able to make the app look bigger, right? And that, hopefully what you want. If you don't want that, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the settings, and basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to display brightness, scroll a little bit down to display zoom, and just select the large text and hit down at the top right, and that should fix it, right? And there is another way of doing it. If you don't want that or don't want those two, you could just go back to the main settings, and basically what you're going to do next, you can just go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down to the keyboard, click keyboards, and after you click the keyboards, you're going to be able to use another keyboard by clicking add new keyboard. You're going to be able to add a new one, and that will make the keyboard look bigger or larger. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.